catching the core assets that make the user interface, such as this index page, the CSS files, and the JavaScript. So even if there is no connection, we can still open the apps rather than the default Google Chrome's fallback page with the word no internet. And so the best place to catch the core asset is at the installation process of the service worker. So we just need to add the catch once rather than constantly catching the core asset. So we go to the install process and we delete the console.log. And then we use catches.open, and then this create a catch file if you do not have one. So we create a name. This is static catch, and the name is static catch. And then this is a promise, so we use .then, and then the catch, and then we use catch.add all the assets, and then we use constant assets, and we add all the request path here, and this will pre-catch all these files. Now we add all the request path first, and we also add this link here. And since adding all these files to the catches needs more time than this installation process, so we have to use wait until in order to prevent the service worker already stop before finish catching. So we use e.wait until, and we see there is a request fail, and at last we can see there is some mistake here. Actually, we do not have any styles.css. Instead, we have the materialize.css. So we copy this name and we paste it here. Now we can see the error is gone, and when we go to the applications and we go to the static catch, and we can see all these request URL and also the content. And why we have to use the slash and also slash index.html? Because some of the people, or most of the people, actually they will just use the slash instead of the slash index.html. But we also have to deal with the request URL, which is index.html, because the service worker will base on this request URL and put back the corresponding content to the website.